Hi, in this video, I will show you how effectively we can use Microsoft PowerPoint for our video lectures.
Hi there, you can now see me in full screen. You can use your cam view to make your videos more lively.
You might be aware that we can use videos and photos of pictures within a slide, like these on the right side. I will also show you other features like a pointer, a highlighter, a pen, and an eraser. You can also have notes for each of your slides to help you when you present. See, I can even share my screen to show some website or give you a demo on your software. Oh, I forgot. You can even insert a thumbnail view. It's not over it. Yes, you can even add a form to your video. You can do this in Microsoft PowerPoint itself or in Microsoft Stream after uploading your video. Now, try the feedback. You can also use similar forms in your video to assess your viewers. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.